Leica fans, get ready, because the Leica Q4 is creating a huge buzz in 2025. Rumors suggest this could be one of the most refined and capable cameras Leica has ever made. With a potential new full-frame sensor, improved dynamic range, a fast 28mm lens, and possibly even weather-sealed durability, the Q4 promises to deliver unmatched image quality in a compact form. Today, we're diving deep into all the leaks, specs, and rumors surrounding the Leica Q4, including what you might expect in terms of design, performance, and pricing. Whether you're a professional photographer or a street photography enthusiast, this is a camera you absolutely need to know about. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The Leica Q4 is generating significant buzz in the photography community, as Leica enthusiasts and professional photographers alike are eagerly awaiting details on what could be one of the most refined and capable cameras of 2025. Leica has always had a reputation for precision engineering, optical excellence, and timeless design, and the Q4 is shaping up to carry that legacy forward while introducing subtle but meaningful upgrades. The title alone, Leica Q4, specs, price, and release date, has sparked countless discussions online, with fans speculating about what improvements Leica will bring to the table and whether this model will redefine the compact full-frame camera segment. While Leica has been known to maintain a certain level of secrecy around its new releases, leaks and insider reports are giving us a tantalizing glimpse of what the Q4 might offer. The combination of classic Leica design principles with cutting-edge sensor technology has always made the Q series a favorite among street photographers, travelers, and professional shooters seeking unmatched image quality in a compact form factor. Leica has historically focused on creating cameras that are not only high-performing but also extremely tactile and satisfying to use. The Q4 is rumored to continue this philosophy, featuring a body that remains compact, yet robust, with premium materials designed to endure years of rigorous use. Early leaks suggest that Leica might slightly refine the ergonomics of the Q4, improving grip comfort and control placement without straying from the minimalist design aesthetic that the brand is known for. Fans are particularly excited about the possibility of a weather-sealed body, which would finally allow the Q series to compete even more confidently with other premium full-frame compact cameras in challenging environments. The camera's design is expected to balance Leica's iconic style with modern usability, ensuring that both longtime fans and new users feel an immediate connection to the Q4 from the moment they pick it up. Beyond design, the Leica Q4 is expected to bring major upgrades in terms of its imaging capabilities. Early reports point toward a new full-frame sensor with improved resolution and dynamic range, making it ideal for capturing everything from high-contrast street scenes to delicate portrait lighting. Leica's proprietary image processing algorithms, which have always been a highlight of the Q series, are rumored to receive a significant update, enhancing color reproduction, noise reduction, and detail rendering. This means photographers can expect images that retain Leica's signature look, while also benefiting from cutting-edge technology that improves overall image fidelity. Combined with a fast and precise autofocus system, the Q4 could finally address some of the limitations that previous Q models faced, particularly in low-light conditions or when tracking moving subjects. The lens, of course, remains a critical component of any Leica camera, and the Q4 is